sa katatapos lang na laro ng Premier Volleyball League (PVL), na kung saan naglalaban ang Akari Power Chargers nila Sid Domingo against Farm Fresh Foxes nila Trisha Tubo. Sa laban ng Akari Power Chargers versus Farm Fresh Foxes ay nasweep ng Akari Power Chargers ang Farm Fresh Foxes sa 3-0 sa score na set 1 25-19, set 2 25-15 and set 3 25-22. Naging best player of the game naman si Michelle Cobb ng Akari Power Chargers na nagtala ng 3 points, 1 attack point, 2 service ace with 16 excellent sets. Malaki din ang naging ambag nila Sid Domingo at Fifi Sharma sa opensa at depensa ng Akari Power Chargers, na kung saan nagtala si Sid Domingo ng 9 points, 5 attack points with 4 blocks, samantalang si Fifi Sharma naman nagtala ng 8 points, 6 attack points with 2 blocks.